Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, let us look at this question. Interpenetration, engineering drawing into interpenetration. So the very first thing that you are supposed to do there, before you even start drawing, you have to analyze the views. After you've analyzed the views, go back, read the question. So the question read as follows. Figure 3 shows two views of a round tube penetrated to a base, whereby it, I don't know. I think they were saying whereby its interpenetration curve has been omnited. Because this is the copy most, like as I've said that I don't know the previous question paper date of this particular one, isn't it? But I just took this one from the storeroom. I think it was a previous test or something like that. So what is important there is this following statement where they are saying redraw to a scale 1:1. This reminds me of isonometric, where they will be saying do not redraw, but you understand. But in this one they are saying redraw to a scale 1:1. The given an auxiliary views in first angle orthographic projection of the what of the following. So 5.1, you are expected to draw the interpenetration curve of the front view on the front view. So the line of penetration is always expressed what in your front view. So number 5.2, show all the constructional line needed to project the curve of interpenetration. They are necessary. So this one is paying how much? Unfortunately, the guy cutted the marks. In most of the time it's normally pay what 10 not 10, this is not screw threads, is paying 15 16 somewhere there. So the very first thing that you have to do, draw the top view, which they said is an auxiliary view, isn't it? So let's go. We are drawing according to a normal scale, which is 1:1, isn't it? So the bigger diameter is diameter 60. So 60 divided by 2, we are going to open our drawing compass to what? To 30. Where is your 30? This is it. Open your drawing compass to 30 millimeter, so that from here till here is 30. Where were you placing your drawing compass? Draw horizontal center line, as well as what? Vertical one. Like this. Then so what is happening here? So let's get the dimension of 50 millimeter. 50 divided by 2 is 25, isn't it? So this is 25. I mark at 50 and 0. Okay, then from here till here is 50 millimeter. Do it. There is my 50. So this 50 is another what? Vertical center. Then we are given radius. How much? Radius 14. Open your drawing compass to 14 millimeter. There is 14, 15. This is 14. Okay. Can stop here. Then from there now to that 50, isn't it? There you go. And to dimension 50, like this you go. Then we are having the smaller one, which is diameter 15. Take a steel ruler, 15, diameter 15, this one, so that you are fast and accurate. Remember, the biggest enemy in your examination room is not the invigilator, isn't it? But it's actually time. So which means we are done with what? With the top view. We are done with the top view. Now from here going up, how much are we going to measure? Who can you tell me? We always space our views with 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. Space our views with 20 millimeter. Then now construct all the points up like this. All the points that they are behaving, existing on your what? On your vertical component, construct them up. This one is supposed to go. The last one is going. So now, without fear or favor, we are not going to measure the base from here till here, the base of our front view, because it's automatically there. What am I doing? A1, this base. So from this double line are not allowed in the examination room, so you must erase it. So from here going up, we are told what is of dimension 16 millimeter, 15, 13 see. Then where 16 ends begin 30, isn't it? Say 30 millimeter is here, but this one I am not going to draw. I am just going to mark a point there so that I construct this line. You understand? You understand? There is a line that we didn't took. Yeah. Because I don't want to measure from here till the diameter 6, isn't it? We've done it down there. So which means this one, take it up. We forgot about it. Now, without fear or favor, we know what this one is. What is solid? This one is solid. Okay. I can have constructional line here. Now we are told there is what? There is a radius, 18, isn't it? 18. Open your drawing compass to 18 millimeter. This is 18, isn't it? Because there is 19, there is 20, isn't it? So I come here, just mark there, I mark here. You understand? And now I can construct this one a little bit up, and this one where they collide each other. That's where I can place my what? My drawing compass. And to get what? This arc. Simple, eh? If you haven't gotten how did we got that, we can just reverse the video, isn't it? And then so we are done. If they can say pens down, your time is exhausted. The marks of drawing the given views are yours. That is why I normally tell students to not leave empty blank spaces whenever they approach a question. Don't select any questions, especially in drawing, because to draw given views in every particular question, there are marks for that. Let's say you don't know anything in question 5. Let's say you don't know anything in question 5, but just draw those given views. Out of 15, you might find that you're having 4. It's better than 0, you understand? Okay, So the question was like the interpenetration curve on the what? On the front view. Draw. Okay. I will decide to mark this point R. The center point of my auxiliary view, the center point of my top view, as R stands for the reference of all the points that we're about to draw now. So going up this point, I'll decide to make point A, and this point B. How did you got point B? We place our compass at R, further extended to A. There you go. Then you get to your point what? Point B. So now from your auxiliary view, going up, once you touch this curve of ours of radius 18, isn't it? So I'll decide to mark this point C. So now take point C horizontally. Once you touch the center line that is coming down from your top view, which is R and A, so this becomes what? Your H point. Stand for what? Highest point, which means I mustn't get any point be above this point. Let me mark it. You understand? So we are having R, A, B, C, and H. Okay, so now we are going to away, because we are looking for the curve of interpenetration from point B coming this side. Measure 2 millimeter, 2 up until where? Up until at this point, because that's where the arc ends. At this point, measure 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter. This 1 2 1, like this, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2. Right, then I can decide to say this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is the last one. But whenever we are now constructing, you'll find that actually I think from point 6 till 9 they will be already in the straight line there. You understand? So what do? You construct them up point 1. Once they touch this arc, you stop. Like this, you go like this, you go, here we go, here we go. Everyone, you see that they're already on the straight line. Actually 7 was supposed to be the last. You understand? So I can also name them up there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So once they touch that arc of yours at a radius of 18, they will become horizontally to your right hand side, to your right hand side. There you go, there you go. 5. See that they are becoming closer to each other. The higher you go is the more they become closer to each other. Okay, now what are you expected to do now? Because you must get some points here. So you are going to make use of what? Of a reference point from your top view. Place your compass at point R. further extended to point 1, which is this one. Then there you go. Then 2, there you go. 3, my pencil lid is not sharp anymore, there you go. 4, there you go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what do you do with that? If you take a closer look, closer look. So this one there it goes, so it's now there. Point 1, 2, 2, 3. So deal with them like this so that they don't confuse. So this point 1, it went like this. So this point 1 must collide with the point 1 up there. So it's going to give you a point. Let's take point 1. Isn't there it goes? Is this one. So now from here, this is 1, this is 2, isn't it? So point 1 from your auxiliary view must be constructed up. Once it collides with the point 1, thereby your front view must give you a point. You understand? Must give you a what? A point like this. So point 2 up, point 2. You have to be very accurate. Is this one? It's giving me a point. Point 3, there it goes, is this one, 3. Constructed up, collide with point 3, which means this is the line of 3. This is 1, 2, 3. This is the line of 3. Where? Yeah. So you have to be very accurate. Point 4, which is this one, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, which is this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, which is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one, 7, 7. This one, 8. It's already there, like this. So we've gotten our point from 1 till 8, isn't it? So you are going to have an arc that will be like this. If you don't have a flex curve, you can use a freehand. So it's going to be like this, but further extended to what? To your highest point. So it's going to be like this. So yeah, we are not going to have any points here. We are not going to have any points here because it's a what? It's a round. It's more like a circle. You understand? So if it was like a square or a rectangle, that's when we're going to even have some points going like this till at the what? Beyond your view. So you can leave it like this. So if you take a closer look, did they ask you about the left view? They didn't ask you about the left view. So you can leave your work like this, because the left view was you are going to have a solid dark line like this. Then you construct your lines so that you have your left view this direction. But then they didn't spoke about anything left, so you can submit your work like this. Remember this one, it's not a center line, but it's a what? It's a chain line. Others, they call it a hidden detail. It's going to be there, it's supposed to be there, because we are not drawing the inside view, we are drawing the what? The outside view, which is this one. So it's supposed to be there, you understand? Don't forget about it.